We are valid customers of Marinelli's, and then the first day we found out Marinelli's last year, we are so happy because we want MJ to talk with other babies, to play with other babies, because we have a little bit problem because MJ is having a speech delay. So Marinelli's Baby Center help us a lot to improve MJ's skills, to enjoy the other babies. So our problem is more lessened now. So we are very much thankful, especially the staff are very accommodating to MJ. They always send me pictures, videos of they are doing the activities, and they let MJ join with the other babies. So I am so relieved, happy, and her daddy also is so happy. And then Marinelli's give us hope for MJ's speech delay also, because she's communicating with other babies and also with the teachers. So I am so much happy and less crying, and then I'm not overthinking also about MJ's development. So thank you so much, Marinelli's. You help us a lot, and then we will always bring MJ here until she develop her skills to spend more time also with the other babies. So thank you so much, Marinelli's. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much, Ma'am
Okay.
Angie!